Hey, what is going on, everybody? This is SSG Superstitch here with the official SSG clan, and today I will be showing you episode 4 of our bot coding series. So, if you are new, the links to the past videos will be up there now, so go check them out. But for now, let's get right into the video. Okay, so today we are going to be making a meme command. This command, we are going to make it so that I can display a meme when you say your prefix and then meme, and it will be a random one. Okay, so first you just need to create the command. This is pretty basic, and you just say meme, and then meme again, because that would be the name of your folder. And then here we're going to add got, and then right after that, we need to actually install got, and if you guys don't know what it is, it's just a really helpful module. So you're going to do npm I got, and after that's downloaded, you should be fine. So after that, you're going to add right here, const got equals require got. Okay, and once that's done, you're just going to make a new command. Pretty basic, you guys should know if you watch the past tutorials, meme.js. So now, at the top we are going to, because this will be having an embed, we're going to say const discord equals require discord.js. And this needs to be in our parentheses. Sorry about that. And now we also need to say const fs. Actually, we don't need const fs, sorry. We need const got equals require got. Okay, and now that we have these two, we just need to create our command, and I will let you create your command, and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that you've created your command folder, in here we have a lot of lines of code, so if you make any mistakes, the code will be in the description, but also if you have any questions, you can put them in either the code questions channel in the SSG server or the general channel in the Superstitch server. Okay, so let's get right into this. So first we're going to start off by making an embed, so you can just name it whatever you want. Meme embed is what I'm going to choose, equals, and you guys should know this, discord dot message embed. And then before we actually make the content of the embed, we are going to it needs to be new Discord message embed. So we're going to say got. Then we are going to enter the link of any Reddit link. So if I pull up Reddit here, I might have one open. I do not, so I'll just search up Reddit. And so then you can make it whatever meme or whatever thing you want. I'm gonna do meme just because that's the standard one. But if you want to do family-friendly memes or whatever you want, or if you want to do memes that are like known, this one r/meme is the standard one right here. And then next you're going to say /meme/random /JSON/.json. Okay, so now you can exit your parentheses. So adding things. And then you can say .then parentheses response. And then you can do an arrow function. And then brackets. And then once you do this, we need to make the content of our meme folder that will actually be got from Reddit. So first we're going to say let content equal JSON.parse and then response.body. And now we are going to say let permalink equal content 0 dot data dot children, and then we're going to do these again, say 0, and now we are going to say dot data dot permalink. And now after this, so we're going to do a actually not yet, sorry. First we gotta do let meme link, or let meme URL, sorry, within all caps, equal https https://reddit.com, and then we are going to say a function, and the function is called permalink. Okay, so once we have that, we can copy this line up here because it's going to be used but edited a few times. So next we're going to say let meme image equal, we're going to paste this, and we are going to replace the last part with URL. And now we can go like that. And now if we say let meme title equal, and now we can paste this again, and we can say data dot title, and we can also say let meme upvotes equal, then we can paste this again, and we can say at the end of here ups, and now we can say let meme downvotes equal, and then we can paste this again, and we can say data dot down. And then we have one more before we actually make our embed. The final one will be let meme num comments equal, and then we can paste this. And this one's a little different. When we replace this, we are going to do num underscore comments. And now that you've done that, we can create our embed. So if we come down, we can say embed dot, meme embed, sorry. I have it called embed on my other example code from my other bot. Meme embed dot set title. And then you can add Tisdale. And the title will just be meme title. And now, if you say meme embed dot set URL, and UR and L all have to be capitalized. I think I said that last video, but I know I make that mistake. I just don't want you guys to run into that mistake too. So now we do Tisdale's again, and this will be meme URL. And now we can say meme embed dot set image, and then meme image. And now we have to set the color like we always do, meme embed, and you can put whatever color you want. You just need the number, like I said last time, but I'm not gonna waste you guys' time, so I'll just say random in all caps, making it a random color. Now the final thing will be embed dot set footer, and then you can do Tisdale's, and we're going to add emojis, and how you want to style this is optional. So I do that emoji, space, and then I can do a function, which will be meme upvotes, and then I can do a down thumbs up, and this can be meme, and the function will be meme downvotes. And now I'm not sure what it was called. It might be called chat. It is not, so I will find it. I like to use this one. So if I then say meme num comments, that's what will be there. And then at the end, I can just say message dot channel dot send meme embed. So now we need to check if our bot works. So let's clear our terminal and say node space dot. We haven't got any errors so far, but now it's time to test our command. So meme, and we seem to be getting an error. I will check. What is our error? This is not. I will open it. Okay, so I forgot to save my file. I am so sorry about that, guys. It should work for you. Now let's see if there's any error. Now if I say meme, there we go. We have our embed with, this is a link to the exact Reddit post. So if you guys want to go there and see it, and you can notice it's the exact same title, and these are the amount of upvotes on it. This is the exact amount of everything, amount of comments. So it works. It is different every time. It's not just the same thing. So I hope you guys found today's tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions, once again, you can put them in code questions, which is down here in the social media thing. And if you have any video ideas that you want to suggest, maybe if you want to learn how to make a ping command, which would be the next one, we're also going to learn how to make a help command. But if you want to learn how to make any warning commands or anything, I am more than happy to teach you how to do that. And if you want to join the Super Stitch server, which is my personal server, you can go to general chat and you can ask any of your questions. And that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the Discord, and the code will be in the description. Have a nice day. Please leave a like, and if you watch till the end, write carrot in the comments so that we know that you actually watched and you're a true subscriber. So have a nice day. Peace. See you in the next one.